Why should I hire Brotman Law to deal with my multi-state tax issue? Well, I can't speak to anybody else that you may be considering. I don't know their level of experience. I don't know their expertise. But what I do know is multi-state taxation is one of our primary practice areas, and it's kind of our jam. It's something that we pride ourselves on because multi-state taxation is a very complex area. It's a very fast-changing area, and it's an area that we provide a lot of value for our clients. So we live and breathe in this world. Both me, the rest of our senior attorney team, and all of our staff is very familiar with helping clients through these difficult situations. We really excel at this for a variety of reasons, but the one I would point to most and first and foremost is this. It's not that we just understand the tax law. Anybody can understand the law. But where we excel is we really understand the procedure. We understand not only the way the law is written, but how that law is enforced and how enforcement varies from a state like California to one like Alabama or Wyoming or Tennessee. So in looking at this from a landscape perspective, we can really help our clients understand and navigate risk. The other reason that we're very good at this and why we excel at multi-state taxation is our firm focuses on the business first. Most of our clients are businesses or business owners. A lot of our clients are businesses outside the state of California, and we deal with businesses in a lot of different industries. We deal with professional services businesses, we deal with manufacturers, we deal with retail, we deal with hospitality, we deal with all sorts of businesses across the country. And so we've really developed a knowledge of not only what we can do from a tax perspective, but we take the time to understand our clients and their business processes so that we're recommending strategies that make sense. We can have the best tax plan in the world, and if it doesn't make business sense for the client, it's not a good solution. So we look at this from business first. We try and minimize risk. We try and minimize waste. We try and minimize cost. And we try and maximize efficiency and value. And we're doing that for looking at it from a business lens versus a legal lens. And I think that's very important. It's one thing that really, I think, distinguishes us as a firm, because a lot of lawyers don't know how to run a business. A lot of lawyers aren't sensitive to cash flow. They're not sensitive to the fact that a company may be operating with limited resources. And they're not sensitive to the fact that certain things just don't make sense for an organization. So when we approach a multi-state tax issue, we're really goal-focused first. And I think that's a philosophical difference that we have with a lot of law firms and why we've been so successful in this arena. You know, what I would encourage you to do is let's have a conversation. Let's sit down. Let's talk about where your company is at. Let's talk about some of the challenges that you think that you're facing. Let me offer my input into some of the challenges that you may or may not be aware of. And then let's try and work out a solution. And then if you need us going forward, you're more than welcome to retain us. You know, most cases we'd be more than happy to have you as a client, but only if it makes sense. I don't want to take a client on unless we're providing value for that client. And so on a multi-state business tax front, we really get this stuff, we know our stuff, and we're really good, and we have a phenomenal record of really good results for our clients. So reach out to us if you feel comfortable, get to know us better, and we'll be happy to help you in any way we can.